Creating an agile project plan involves establishing a flexible roadmap that allows for iterative progress and continuous feedback. Here's how to create one effectively. Define project vision. Start by clearly outlining the project's vision and objectives. This helps ensure all stakeholders have a common understanding of the project's goals. Identify stakeholders. List all key stakeholders and involve them in the planning process to gather their requirements and expectations. Create product backlog. Break down the project into user stories or tasks. Organize these stories into a product backlog, prioritizing them based on business value and dependencies. Estimate effort. Use techniques like planning poker or t-shirt sizing to estimate the effort required for each user story. This helps in understanding the scope and planning sprints. Plan sprints. Divide the project timeline into sprints. For each sprint, select the highest priority items from the product backlog to create a sprint backlog. Define team roles. Assign roles such as product owner, scrum master, and development team members. Ensure everyone understands their responsibilities. Set up agile ceremonies. Sprint planning. Plan the work for the upcoming sprint. Daily stand-ups. Hold short daily meetings to track progress and address blockers. Sprint review. Demonstrate completed work to stakeholders and gather feedback. Sprint retrospective. Reflect on the sprint to identify improvements for the next one. Monitor and adjust. Use agile project management tools to track progress. Regularly review and adjust the plan based on feedback and changing requirements.